مكانها الأساسي وستائر النوافذ مفتوحة. يمنع التدخين منعا باتا ويشمل ذلك السجائر الإلكترونية، كما يمنع العبث بأجهزة الكشف عن الدخان داخل دورات المياه. شكرا لانتباهكم. السعودية تتمنى لكم رحلة ممتعة. Welcome aboard this Saudiya flight. For your safety and comfort, the regulations of the General Authority of Civil Aviation requires passengers to comply with lighted signs, posted placards, crew members' directions, and the following safety demonstration. Please make sure that your hand baggage is stowed in the overhead compartment or under the seat in front of you. Exercise extreme caution when you open the overhead compartment to avoid falling of items. Placing baggage near the exit doors or in the aisles is not allowed. For safety reasons, the use of the mobile phones and wireless devices is strictly prohibited. To use any other portable electronic devices, please inform one of the flight attendants. Your seatbelt must be fastened now. To fasten the belt, insert the metal fittings one into the other and tighten the strap. To release, lift the upper piece of the metal fitting and separate the two ends. In case of a decompression in the cabin, oxygen masks will drop in front of you automatically. Take the nearest mask immediately, pull it down, and secure it over your nose and mouth. Put on your mask before helping others. Keep your mask on until advised to remove it. In the event of an emergency, please assume the bracing position. There are emergency exits on either side of this aircraft. Please take a moment to familiarize yourself with the nearest exit to you. If an evacuation is necessary, guiding lights will illuminate to guide you to the exit. Prior to leaving the aircraft, remove your shoes, leave everything behind, reach your nearest exit, and slide down. Your life vest is located under or to the side of your seat. When instructed, slip the life vest over your head, pass the straps around your waist, and adjust it at the front. At the exit, inflate the life vest by pulling the tabs down or blowing into the tubes at the top. Then follow the flight attendant's instructions. For more information, please read the safety card in the seat pocket in front of you. If you are seated next to an emergency exit, please read the instructions illustrated there. If you need any assistance, don't hesitate to call one of our flight attendants. In preparation for takeoff, please make sure your seat belts are fastened, seat bags and accessories are in their upright position, and all window shades are open. Smoking is strictly prohibited, including electronic cigarettes. Tampering with the smoke detectors in lavatories is prohibited. Thank you for your attention, and we wish you a pleasant flight with Saudiya.
تحية عند رحمكم مجموعة مستشفيات السعودية الأهلية. ضيوفنا الأعزاء، نستمع الآن إلى دعاء السفر، وهو من الأدعية التي كان يدعو بها رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم عند سفره.
Ladies and gentlemen, the text you are about to hear is a supplication which Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, used to pray upon traveling.
الله أكبر، الله أكبر، الله أكبر. سبحان الذي سخر لنا هذا وما كنا له مقرنين وإنا إلى ربنا لمنقلبون. اللهم إنا نسألك في سفرنا هذا البر والتقوى ومن العمل ما ترضى. اللهم هون علينا سفرنا هذا واطو عنا بعده. اللهم أنت الصاحب في السفر والخليفة في الأهل. اللهم إني أعوذ